everyone, how are you all? I'm doing good. Hope you guys are enjoying my all videos. So today topic is about hair growth oil. So one secret home remedies I will share with you today. Before I have same problem. I have already used a different practice and struggle failed. Then I start to use this magic hair oil. This will really work very well. Fenugreek seed curry leaves in kalonji, kalijira and curry leaves infused oil. Oh, I could feel change in just a week. Ingredients: coconut oil, fenugreek seed and curry leaves and the kalonji. Procedure: take half cup of coconut oil in a bowl. Take according to your needs. Now you can add 2 spoons of fenugreek seed and 2 spoons of kalonji to the coconut oil. Now add curry leaves to the oil. Add in large quantity to get full benefit. Now allow the mixture to heat 10 to 15 minutes. Allow it boil until the oil is turned completely black and the ingredients. Now allow the oil to cool down, and then if you want to crush the curry leaves, you can crush, other than you can leave it. You can remove it from oil. If you want to crush, I will tell the procedure. Crush the curry leaves in ears and mix with the oil. Keep the crushing until leaves are crushed. And use strainer to strain the oil and collect the oil and use every day. Benefit about fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed help to get right dandruff from the scalp, and it's help to boost the blood circulation of the scalp, helps to prevent scalp infection, and helps to boost your hair growth. Benefits of curry leaves on hair is prevent aging of hair and help to get rid of dandruff, boost your hair growth, and repair damage of the roots. Repair damaged roots and rejuvenates hair roots and follicles. Excellent to treat dryness on the scalp. Benefit of coconut oil: prevent hair breakage, treat split ends, and provide hydration to scalp, prevent thinning of the hair, and prevent dandruff on the scalp. And next benefit about kalonji oil. It's rich in antioxidant and has antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties, which make it one of the best oil for hair. It's known to reverse hair damage and help in hair regrowth. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. On the bell icon for my new videos.